I'm Jessica Berman. I'm one of the associate rheumatology attendings here at the Hospital for Special Surgery. So I enjoy treating a wide variety of rheumatic diseases, including lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, spondyloarthritis, and sarcoid, just to name a few. I find rheumatic diseases to be the most challenging in terms of treatment and diagnosis because it's one of the rare areas in medicine where you don't have one test to make a diagnosis, and really what the patient tells you is the most important part of making the diagnosis, because it's really all in the story. So it's a little bit like being Sherlock Holmes and solving a mystery, and in order to do that you really need to get a good history from the patient. So no two stories are alike. Every patient has a very unique story, and when you listen, you're really looking for little clues about the problem. One of my favorite things about my patients is that I'm developing long-term relationships with them. I think in other areas of medicine, people are forming relationships with their patients, but we really treat the whole patient, and we're really seeing them over years and years and getting to know everything about them. And there really is nothing about their health that's not important to their underlying rheumatic disease diagnosis. So I like to circle around the patients very closely and keep in touch with them. Rheumatic diseases are lifelong, and we're constantly changing what we do to treat the disease based on what's happening at the time. So that relationship where you establish that communication is key in keeping them healthy. There's no better feeling than getting a patient back to being who they were before. Often patients will just look different, completely different than when you first met them because they were in so much pain. And to be able to take them back to the person they were. And I love hearing the stories of the things that they're able to do that they weren't able to do before. It just makes it all worth it. I go home at the end of the day and I feel like I've been able to do something really good and change somebody's life and make it better. Like, there can be no better feeling.